Does your makeup not last even 2 hours before it starts melting? I'm going to show you how to achieve this flawless makeup look on yourself in the simplest steps possible. Comment makeup, and I'm going to share with you guys the link to register for my makeup class so you can learn this, and let's perfect that makeup together this season. Already done my skincare canvas primer from Laura Mercier, and I'm only going to be using a little bit wherever I have some pores. So you want to make sure that you actually push the product into your pores, and this is going to really help seep that product into your skin. For reference, I'm dry skin, so I don't usually use primers because I don't really need them. For foundation, I'm going to be using my staple Super Stay 24-Hour Skin Tint Maybelline foundation. I like to warm up the product with my hand first. Using your fingers and melting the product really helps with the even layer. And after that, you can go in with a beauty blender, remove any excess product that could be sitting on your face. For cream bronzer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Corrector. And wherever I want shadow on my face. And this is super creamy. With brush, you get the maximum amount of coverage. This is where we also have natural shadows. I know it looks really funny, so now we're gonna go back in with the beauty blender and just diffuse any lines that we may have. Like so. Liquid blush from e.l.f. and I'm going to show you guys how I apply it, and it's super pigmented, so you only want maybe one dot, just like so, and a little bit here and a little bit on the nose if you want to. I would recommend using a fluffy brush to blend. I know this seems like a lot of blush right now, but don't worry, we're gonna blend it all nicely. For concealer, I'm going to be using a Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Sand. I focus a little bit under my eyes, on the edges to lift my eyes, and a little bit on my chin, my forehead, a little bit down the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to start blending. Set my under eyes. Bronzer. Don't forget under the jaw. Blush. Love blush. Some highlighter. This is my absolute favorite part. Look at that highlighter. Brow lift gel. This is the only thing that stays put for my eyebrows for the rest of the day. I've tried everything else in the market, and this is what I come back to at all times. This is my holy grail, L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. Honestly, it smells like a hairspray. This is the only thing that's gonna make sure that my makeup will not move all day long. It smells horrible. It will make sure that your makeup will not move. If you're the bridesmaids and maid of honor who's gonna be doing lots of running around all day long, this is the only budget-friendly setting spray I would recommend for you to try it. Let me know how you like it. And here is the final look, you guys. Comment makeup, and I'm gonna share with you guys the link to register for my makeup class so you can learn this, and let's perfect that makeup together this season.